See, normally when we buy a house or an apartment, we just are satisfied, okay, it's east facing and that's enough. We never related that it might affect the people or the children who are, they have their bedroom in a particular corner of the house, and that their energies need to be improved. But now, with this knowledge, at least we can check and we can improve. So, while they are studying or while they are sleeping, how to improve the energy of the area they mostly spend time in, and especially of the house. And if it has an overall impact of the harmony of the house between the people staying there, it's, I think, this will come in use to improve the overall idea and the energy of the house. This is what I felt. We only knew that north and east are good, but we never knew that southwest, the owner should be staying there. It has a great impact on the overall personality of the person staying in that part of the house. Or northeast is the corner of Shiva, and such knowledge we never had. So it was very enlightening and very interesting. Certainly, that's the part I like the most. It's very, very interesting, knowledgeable also. And I mean, you can apply it in so many ways. I mean, it's a good thing to learn, and you can utilize it to your maximum to improve the overall energy of your house. That's the best thing. So you should definitely do it.